morning. How are you? Yes, are you ready to mark the exercise? Good. Okay, are we there? Here are the answers I've made. I'm not saying you must have these very ones, but at least you should have something similar. I mean, closer to that. And you can have as many sentences as you can. But try to listen to what I did. Number 1. Where does he keep his money? Where does he keep his money? Number 2. Where do they keep their money? I mean, where do they keep their charcoal? All that I'm using is from the table. Answers for table 1. Number 3. Where do we keep our seeds? Number 4. Where do you keep your charcoal? Number 5. Where does she keep her money? Number 6. Where do they keep their seeds? 7. Where does she keep her firewood? And 8. Where do we keep our money? Feedback for table 2. He keeps his money in the bank. Number 2. They keep their charcoal in the store. Number 3. I keep my charcoal in the store. Number 4. She keeps her money in the bank. Number 5. They keep their seeds in the box. Number 6. She keeps her money in the bank. 7. She keeps her firewood in the store. 8. We keep our money in the bank. And lastly, I keep my money in the bank. So you can see when we change the verbs and when we don't change them. Yes. How is everyone? Are you okay? That's very good. So we are continuing. And we are going to look at what we call listening and writing. If I may ask, if I told you a story, would you carefully listen to it and retell it? Or if I read something, would you listen and write down? And this is what we are going to do. You just have to be attentive, please. Before we continue, our today's success criteria is I can listen and write. I can complete the given table with the correct words from the given list. Good. Now I just want you to be ready and steady. Carefully listen to teacher. Write down plurals from these words. You write the word and its plural. The word in singular and then the plural. Number 1, soap. Number 2, salt. Number 3, pencil. Number 4, money. 5, pancake. 6, sugar. And lastly, bar of soap. I've read them in singular. Write them and write their plurals. Good. Then we shall have a table, and then we shall use the words in that table to complete the sentences as the teacher will be showing you. Okay, so for those of us who listened carefully, here is the feedback for the listening exercise, for the listening and writing exercise. Do you have the same answers? We have soap, soap, salt, salt, pencil, pencils, money, money, pancake, pancakes, sugar, sugar, bar of soap, bars of soap. Okay, as I promised you, I told you we shall have a list of words in the table and then we use them to complete the given sentences. Okay, listen to the list of words. Complete the sentences below with the correct words from the list. We have much, salt, cost, soap, sweets, many, some, any, pen, little. Sentence number 1. We put dash in food to make it salty. Number 2. We use dash to wash our clothes. Number 3. There is dash in the tea. Number 4. How dash money do you have? Number 5. What is the dash of each pancake? Number 6. How dash pencils do we need? Number 7. We write using ink dash. Number 8. There is dash in the bag. Number 9. There isn't dash shilling in the bag. Number 10. He enjoys eating dash because they are sweet.